This is for an air leak on a Ford Focus 2003 petrol model. And what I done, I got a tin of brake cleaner and sprayed it under the inlet manifold, because I could hear hissing and popping in the exhaust. And you hear the engine starts to stutter when you spray the fluid in. So what it is, it's pipe work under the inlet manifold, and you have to go to Ford, and I'll show you that. That costs £17, and you have to replace that. And the best way to get into that is to use a Stanley knife to cut the pipes and pull it off. And you replace the valve at the bottom, and then it's just manipulate the thing back in, and that's your air leak problem solved. Cheers.